I'm an intern working in Lexis and Company, and I'm going to present on the topic copyright. So, copyright is the recognition and protection of the uh, original creative works, and such work includes the artistic work, literature work, musical, cinema, um, drama, etc. And what all things aren't included under the copyright are the uh, formulas, algorithm, principles, business operation, the way procedures are done, um, scientific or technical method, literature review done by the researchers, uh, education for educational use, the use of the research papers aren't included under the copyright infringement law and act. So there is a special law in India, which is the Copyright Act 1957, which covers the provisions of the copyright infringement. Uh, the ownership of the copyrighted work is the author of the work, the one who has created it. But if the person is working under the employment of some other person, then the employer is considered as the author, first author of the created work, and the person who has done it can be called as the co-author of the work. Uh, then the even the restaurants have to take have to give money or to get the license in order to play the songs, uh, which are the original work of the creators. The benefit and aim of the copyright law is to give incentives to the creators and also make their work accessible for everyone. And the point here is that the copyright work remains to the author only for his lifetime and 60 years after his lifetime, which is if he dies in the year 2000, and it can be if he dies in on 1 January, then after 60 years, which is in the year 2061, his work can be available to anyone without the copyright issue. So it allows the dual benefit. First, to incentivize the creator enough to let him earn the money for his work, and then to make it accessible to. So there was a case recently, which many people might be aware of. That the case was about the Badshah, who was alleged, the Indian rapper who is alleged to infringe the original work of Ratan Kahar. The Ratan Kahar is a Bengali folklore singer who has produced a song in the Bengali language, Boro Lokar Biti Lo, and the Badshah's song Genda Full has not given him credit, even the credits of his original work. This the Bollywood remixed version has allegedly copied the lyrics and composition of the Ratan Kahar song, and the Badshah was sued for the sections 14, 51, and 57A, which are violating the exclusive rights of the author, making sales out of the author's work, and failure to give credit to the author. So, thank you. This was it for the presentation.